10 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. Now take the same sample as milk. Add some amount of water. Now next add iodine solution. Keep it aside for few minutes so that if at all it is changing to the purple color, it indicates the presence of proteins. If at all it is changing to light yellow color or black color, it indicates the presence of carbohydrates. Now we can see in the milk, it has turned to purple color. This indicates the presence of proteins. In this sample, there is no change. So we won't have any carbohydrates in this. Next, in case of this two, see under this test tube you can see a black color light spot over here. This indicates the presence of carbohydrates. We have added here iodine solution, and in another test tube we have tested for proteins. But the rice does not contain any proteins, only it contains the more amount of carbohydrates. Two test tubes we have taken our daily routine food item, that is rice, which has cooked rice. Now in the first test tube we have taken the iodine solution, and in the second test tube we have taken the copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide solution. So among these two test tubes, we can see in the first test tube where we added the iodine solution, it changed to black color. So this indicates the presence of carbohydrates. But in the another test tube there is no change. So by this we can get one conclusion that the rice indicates more amount of the carbohydrates. Same like that only we have taken the another food ingredient, that is the milk. So in this also we have added in one test tube iodine solution, and in another test tube we have the copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide solution. Now here in the one test tube it has changed to the violet color, and in another test tube there is no change. So by this we can conclude that the color which is changing to purple color indicates the presence of proteins, and which is not having any protein carbohydrate content in the milk. Thank you.